Let's take a look at the purchases part of BI Vision. There are so many interesting insights to be gained, but why don't we focus on just one for this overview and take the average delivery duration as an example. First, as with other BI pages, let's customize the period we want to focus on, like this. From here, it now becomes really easy to see which deliveries are late and which of our suppliers take longest to deliver. We can drill down further still to see which specific products take longest. I need to send this information to my purchasing manager. By going to the top right corner of the screen, you can take a screenshot in PDF or PNG and send it on to the relevant people. Perhaps overcoming lengthy delivery times is something you're trying to monitor and reduce too. By setting up a custom dashboard, you can return to this data much more quickly next time. This is just one example of the many insights and efficiencies that can be gained from the purchases context in BI Vision.